Number 5 then from the 2018 Advanced Higher Maths, 4 marks for use the Euclidean algorithm to find integers a and b that solves this or is one of the solutions of this what's called a Diophantine equation. Well, you know the procedure. You also know the answer to the first part is going to be 17. 17 is as low as it can get, that's a prime number. And if that's an equation with integers in it, whatever divides them must also divide that. So it looks like a 17 then, doesn't it? Well, you'd start off. 306 equals, right, how many 119s go into it? Well, that's 2 times 119. Plus, now, what's left over? Just use your calculator. And when you do that, you get 68. Ah, well. So that means now, whatever divides these must also divide that 68. That's the way integers work. So I'm down to these two. 119, and you can see that'd be 120 odd, well more than that obviously. So it's only one of them. So this will just be take it away. So it'll be 51. Oh, we've got 1 again. So we're down to this now. Whatever divides them must divide them. Well, 3. So I'm down to 68. There's obviously only one of them. So now I'm down to the 17. I'll just finish it off. So presumably 51 is a fixed number of 17s, and it is, it's 3. 3 sevens are 21. I'll put plus 0. So I don't think you need to write this part. The greatest common divisor of 306 and 119 is 17. That'll be the first part for 2 marks. Now start feeding it back through. I'm just going to write this equation backwards. 17 equals, here it starts here, 17 equals 68 minus 1 lot of 51. Now I can replace the 51, I'll not bother writing that down anymore. 68 minus 1 times, now 51 is 119 minus 1 lot of 68. I'll tidy that up. Minus 1 means there's another 68, so there's 2 68s, but just 1 lot of 119. Now step back up to here. So it's 2 times, now 68 is 306, minus 2 lots of 119, minus the 1 lot of 119 we had. So finally I've got 2 times 306 minus 4 minus 5 times 119. And at this point you put that into your calculator and check it comes to 17. And when you press the button, 17, so all's well. However, it did say find integers a and b, so I'd better finish off by saying what's what. Well, a, that'll be the 2 because it was the multiple of 306. B, that'll be the negative 5. Now this question will probably go 2 marks for that, but only 1 mark for this bit and then 1 mark for stating that.